Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this smartband with the iPhone. So let's get started. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smartband, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button on it, and keep holding the button until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the smartband is done booting up. In the meantime, we can download and install the HUAWEI Health application on our iPhone, which is required basically to pair the devices together. So go to the quick settings on your iPhone, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and as well the Bluetooth. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on search and type in HUAWEI Health. And tap on search. And on the list of apps, you should see the HUAWEI Health. It says Europe right here because I'm in Europe, but if you're in different region, you should see the name of the region you are in. And once you find the app, tap on Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, we can tap on Open to open it. In the app, you will see the page where you can select the service region. You can tap right here, scroll through the list, look for something you like, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. Then you can tap Next, Next, Agree, and finally, you can allow ordinary ID permissions for the notifications. It's not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your smartband, you will need to allow it. Finally, you will see the health page. Now you can tap on devices, and here you can tap on add device. And at this point, you will see the login page. Basically, you will need to log in into HUAWEI ID account to continue, basically. I'm gonna enter mine, but if you don't have an account, you can always make a new one by tapping on register right here. Okay, then we can tap on login. As you can see, we need to get the code from the email address. So tap on get code and wait for the code. It's on this phone, so let me just check it quickly. And let's enter the code from the other phone. Okay. Then tap on OK. And after you log in, the app will restart basically. And once you reopen it, or once it reopens, you can tap on devices, and here I have devices previously connected to my account, but we want to add a new one, so we can tap on add device, allow the required permission. If nothing happens, tap on add device again. It will start scanning for the nearby devices, and it should detect your HUAWEI Band 11 Pro. Tap on connect. Tap on the checkmark to confirm, tap on pair on the iPhone, allow ordinary ID permissions for the notifications. Here scroll down, check the box right here, come on, and then tap next. Continue. If you see this pop-up about the location for the permission for the location, my bad, it's not required, but if you want to see local weather and stuff like that, allow it. Then we have the sending data to other apps. I'm gonna keep it while using. Then we have the automatic updates. You can enable them by checking the boxes right here. And once you check the boxes, you can tap on done, and the band will basically automatically update on its own. If you don't care about that, you can uncheck the boxes and tap on done. And once you're done, you should see the device page for your HUAWEI Band 11 Pro. And if you go to your smartband, you can go through the tutorial, and it should be ready to use at this point. And basically, that's how you pair this smartband with the iPhone. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.